our job is.
What's with that old lady? What talking about? What? Oh yeah, not full steak.
I asked for small salad. This seems quite big for a salad.
What did you get?
A fish burger and a small salad. Oh wow, that's big.
Oh, that looks so good.
Colourful lover. So I'm just doing a haul of what we did. We got shopping the other day. So we'll start off with Morocco. So Morocco, I got the ear lava lava I'm wearing. Also got this beautiful one and this beautiful one, and I'm going shopping again tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna buy more because they're really nice thick material and they're big. So yeah, Morocco also has good magnets, shot glasses if you're interested. Yeah, so other trinkety gift things, souvenirs, that's what they're called. They're also great for the, sorry, let me put these away so that they're nice. So yes, I've got this one and another little turtle. Yes, so they're also good for the, I can't say it, but the Minoi Tiki Tahiti oils. So they have a wide variety, but if you notice, this one is one that I purchased from a market stall and on a different day, and it cost $10 just for this small one. Whereas if you go to Morocco, the bigger version, 120 ml, was $11.50. So if you're looking for these oils as gifts, they also have this size in different scents and they're a lot cheaper. So yeah, that was Morocco. So the next place that I went shopping was Tivai Collections. So Tivai Collections is absolutely beautiful inside and out. I'll put some footage here as well of the store. But so for our Pacifica playgroup, we got a little turtle. We also got these two Moana dolls. So there's a man Moana doll and a Moana doll. And she's wearing a little pareo. So good. So those are for our Measina playgroups. We also got some beautiful artwork on cards. So these are great for us to do thank you notes for our clients and anybody else that we need. And there's also this cute little cot, baby cot sheet. So it can also be used as a play mat. But it's got the tivai. So tivai means to join together, and that is what a lot of the things we have here, or they have here in Cook Islands. And so this is a little baby mat with turtles. How cute is it? And that was tivai collectibles, and I will leave a link down below. Okay, next we have Annie Wigmore. So I got this beautiful dress from Annie Wigmore, and each of the pieces are one of a kind, so I know that nobody else is going to have this same dress as me. And she had lots of beautiful clothes, and yes, if you're here, they're on top of Villy's burgers. My next shop that I went to is Manini. They are located in the market. So I got this gorgeous dress, and it has pockets, but it also comes with a matching scrunchie. So I'm very excited to wear this one too. They also had these woven visors. So inside here is sewn material and an elastic band, so you can make sure it stays. Very cute. And that was Manini. The last place that we went shopping was Tav. I love Tav clothing and have heard wonderful things about their brand, but while visiting the store, the store people were not as welcoming as other stores that we have visited. And in fact, one of them actually mocked my sister while we were in the store. And so my sister told me this when we had left, but had I known that before I purchased my purchase, I would not have purchased from the store, simply because the customer service was not welcoming and was rude. What kind of customer service is there if you make fun of your customers that are in the store and can hear you making fun of them? But anyway, their designs are gorgeous, and I will give them that. And yes, so I got this beautiful Tav dress. It will be my last purchase from them, but yes, beautiful Tav dress, and that was from Tav.